Hello, my dear students. Very good morning to all of you. Once again, I welcome you all to this online lectures. I hope you are safe at home. With that, you all are watching these online lectures, which are uploaded by the teachers of KJ Somaiya College. So, today we are going to learn a new concept, common ion effect, which is a very important concept. First of all, we have to understand the basic concept of common ion effect, and then we are going to see some applications of common ion effect. Okay. So, what is common ion effect? It is a phenomena. It is a phenomena in which dissociation or ionization of a weak electrolyte is suppressed or reduced by the addition of another strong electrolyte into the same solution into the same solution having the common ions. With that, the equilibrium of that weak electrolyte shifted towards the left hand side is known as the common ion effect. Okay. Here I write first what is the common ion effect. You can write here, you can see it is a phenomena. It is the phenomena in which the ionization or dissociation of a weak electrolyte is suppressed in bracket. Here I write reduced. Suppressed means reduced by the addition of a strong electrolyte containing, this is very important, containing common ions. What is the common ions? Common ions are nothing but the same ions. For our understanding, same ions is called common ion effect. Here we are going to see, first we have to understand the concept of common ion effect, and then we are move towards the applications. It is a phenomena, here it is a phenomena in which the ionization or dissociation of a weak electrolyte is suppressed, means their dissociation, ionization of a weak electrolyte which is reduced or suppressed by the addition of a strong electrolyte containing the common ions. Suppose here, for example, which ionization is decreased, which ionization is suppressed? Suppressed is nothing but the reduces the ionization of weak electrolyte. Already weak electrolyte, which is a very partial extent, they are to be dissociated or ionized. What we have to do? Again we have to suppress the ionization of the weak electrolyte by adding the one more of a strong electrolyte into the same solution of the weak electrolyte having common ions. This is very important, having the common ions. Which type of strong electrolyte we have to add into the weak electrolyte solution? The strong electrolyte must containing the common ions. Therefore, this effect is known as the common ion effect. For example, consider, here I will write the example, consider the ionization of acetic acid. As we know the weak acid, acetic acid. What will happen? Acetic acid, CH3COOH, which is acetic acid. If it is, as we know, which is a weak acid, first of all you have to understand the ionization of which one? Ionization of weak acid. Ionization or dissociation of a weak electrolyte is suppressed. Weak acid is nothing but the weak electrolyte is nothing but the weak acid. Here I am taking the weak acid, that's the acetic acid, which is a weak electrolyte. How it is dissociated? Dissociated or ionized into CH3COH plus. CH3COH plus, which is the dissociation of this electrolyte, which forms into acetate ions, H plus ions. For example, if I take this is the vessel in which it contains aqueous solution, means it contains CH3CHO plus H plus. Let us consider this is in the solution. Here it is in the solution, okay, which is a weak electrolyte, which is in the beaker of this solution. What we have to do? The dissociation or this ionization of the weak electrolyte, which is suppressed, we have to do it, decrease, reduction of this dissociation by adding into the same solution. For example, if I add CH3COONA, which is a strong electrolyte of sodium acetate, it forms into CH3CHO plus Na plus into the same solution. What will happen? Now see, the dissociation or ionization of weak electrolyte, which is suppressed by the addition of a strong electrolyte, which is a salt of strong electrolyte. If I added into the same solution, of this one, which one? CH3COONA, which is sodium acetate. Suppose this is another electrolyte which we are going to add into the weak electrolyte solution. This is of acetic acid. Now what we can see here, acetic acid is a weak electrolyte. Into that solution we are going to decrease the ionization of acetic acid by the addition of one more of electrolyte, that is nothing but the sodium acetate. By adding the sodium acetate, why we are adding the sodium acetate? Sodium acetate is only the electrolyte with containing the common ions of CH3COO negative of weak electrolyte. CH3CO plus, CH3CO negative plus H plus, CH3CO plus Na plus, which is having this, both having the common ions. Due to the presence of CH3COONA, that is CH3CO, which is a sodium acetate of electrolyte, which is completely dissociated. What we have to add? We have to add the strong electrolyte. Strong electrolyte means what? Which is completely dissociated. That strong electrolyte added into the solution of to the weak electrolyte due to this addition of common ions. Now see, CH3CONA means how it is there? Here it is of CH3COO negative plus Na plus. Now see, we already into the solution CH3CO plus H plus ions are there. Into the same solution we are adding the sodium acetate as a strong electrolyte, as a electrolyte with containing the common ions. आपण कोणता electrolyte add करतोय आपण? We are adding the electrolyte of strong electrolyte containing the common ions. This is very important. Containing the common ions means same ions. Of which one? Of weak electrolyte. Weak electrolyte चे जे ions आहेत, that into this weak electrolyte solution we have to add one more of a strong electrolyte containing the same ions, common ions. Due to what happens, CH3CH, CH3CO negative ions are there into the solution. We are adding the more strong electrolyte, one more of strong electrolyte containing the common ions of CH3CO negative plus Na plus, which having the increases the concentration of CH3CO acetate ions, CH3CO negative, that is acetate ions. Once what happens, CH3COO, that is acetate ion concentration is increases. Acetate ion concentration is increases into the solution. Because of what? We are adding the strong electrolyte contain the same ions. Means out of this CH3CO acetate ions plus H plus acetate ion plus Na plus. Here both are the common ions, which having this both are the common ions, means increasing in the concentration of acetate ions into the solution. Obviously what happens, this equilibrium, if it is, this is the reaction, if it is equilibrium of acetate ions, means concentration of acetate ions increases. Therefore this reaction shifted toward the left hand side. Means what? Unionized molecules, concentration of unionized are, that is equilibrium is shifted towards the acetic acid. Means what? With the help of this common ion effect, the equilibrium is shifted toward the left hand side. Means again we are suppressing the ionization of acetic acid. Ionization of acetic acid means what? This is nothing but the common ion effect. See, it is the phenomena in which the ionization of or dissociation of weak electrolyte is suppressed. Means actually what we have to do, we have to again suppress the ionization of this weak acid by the addition of a one more of a electrolyte into the same solution which having the common ions. असा एक इलेक्ट्रोलाइट आपल्याला ऍड करायचा त्या सोल्युशन मध्ये which contains the common ions. Here what is, why I am taking the sodium acetate? Sodium acetate is a electrolyte which containing the acetate ions are the common for acetic acid. Therefore sodium acetate is added into the same solution. Once if you add the sodium acetate electrolyte into the solution, increase in the concentration of acetate ions is occurred. Concentration of acetate ions is occurred. Therefore this reaction, this increase in the concentration of acetate ions, due to this equilibrium is shifted towards the left hand side. Means here the equilibrium is shifted towards the left hand side. Obviously the acetic acid, unionized acetic acid concentration is increases. Due to this we can separate easily. This is nothing but the common ion effect. Means what? Common ion effect is nothing but the ionization. This is the ionization. This ionization, this dissociation of weak electrolyte is suppressed, decreased by the addition of a strong electrolyte is known as the common ions. Is known as the common ion effect. By the addition of electrolyte, strong electrolyte, it must contains the common ions. Due to the common ions, one of the ions concentration is increased in the solution. Therefore the equilibrium shifted towards the left hand side. This is left hand side. Means what? The ionization of weak electrolyte is decreased or suppressed, is called as the common ion effect. You are getting my point? Here acetic acid, which is a weak electrolyte, dissociated into acetate ions plus H plus into this solution. Sodium acetate is added. Sodium acetate is one more of a strong electrolyte. It contains acetate ions as the common ions into the same solution. Once you added the sodium acetate into the solution, the concentration of acetate ions are increases. Due to this, equilibrium is shifted towards the left hand side and the ionization of acetic acid is decreases, suppressed, is known as the common ion effect. Okay, let us consider one more of example. Let us consider one more example. Ionization of ammonium hydroxide. For example, ionization of ammonium hydroxide. Ammonium hydroxide, which is a weak base, which is a weak electrolyte. Ammonium hydroxide, NH4OH. Always This you have to remember always. Weak electrolytes are in the equilibrium in the dissociation. Partial that is equilibrium is very ionization is very small extent. Therefore, it is shown in the equilibrium reaction. It forms NH4 plus OH negative. This is the ionization of this weak base, that is ammonium hydroxide. Ammonium hydroxide, which is a weak base, as we know. It can be ionized into NH4 plus OH negative. What we have to do it? The ionization of ammonium hydroxide have to be decreased, suppressed by the addition of one more of a strong electrolyte. Which electrolyte is there? Strong electrolyte contain the common ions. Means आपल्याला असं करायचं आहे, अमोनियम हायड्रॉक्साईडचं आयनायझेशन आपल्याला कमी करायचं आहे. अमोनियम हायड्रॉक्साईडचं आयनायझेशन कमी करायचं आहे by adding the strong electrolyte. That electrolyte must contain the common ions of this ammonium hydroxide. Ammonium hydroxide चे common ions पाहिजे. For example, if I take ammonium chloride, which is a salt of strong electrolyte. Now see, ammonium hydroxide, how it is dissociated? It is completely dissociated. Now see, here why I am writing the single arrow is written for the complete dissociation. Here the double arrow, which is for the weak electrolyte, means some are ionized ions are there, some are unionized ions are there. Ammonium chloride, if I add, for example, here it is solution of ammonium hydroxide. For your convenience, this is very important concept. For example, this is a solution containing NH4 plus OH negative. Means what? This is ammonium hydroxide is taken. It is a weak electrolyte. Into the aqueous solution, ammonium hydroxide is taken, which contain NH4 plus OH negative. Now what we have to do? The ionization of ammonium hydroxide can be decreased. Decrease karta hai to. How? By adding the strong electrolyte. Which one contain the common ions? NH4 is a common, NH4 is a common. So I have to add one more of electrolyte, which is of NH4Cl. It containing NH4 plus Cl minus. It means it containing NH4 plus is the common ions. NH4 plus is the common ions. It forms NH4 plus Cl minus. What will happen? This is the common ions. Here it is the common ions. Due to the presence of common ions into the same solution, concentration of ammonium plus are increases. Concentration of ammonium plus ions are increases. Once the concentration of these are increases, means obviously equilibrium is shifted towards the left hand side. Ammonium hydroxide ionization is reaction is shifted, equilibrium is shifted towards the left hand side. Means what? Unionized ammonium hydroxide is more. Therefore, the ionization of ammonium hydroxide is suppressed, decreased by the increase in the concentration of ammonium. NH4 plus is known as the common ion effect. Okay, very simple concept. What is that? In a common ion effect, ionization of weak electrolyte which are suppressed or decreased, reduced by the addition of one more of a electrolyte, strong electrolyte containing the common ions, same ions. Due to the increase in the concentration of common ions in a solution, same ions, what happens? One of the ions concentration is increases. Therefore, the equilibrium is shifted towards the left hand side. Means what? The ionization of weak electrolyte which is decreased, which is suppressed, is known as the common ion effect. Now, why it is used? Applications. Let me see the applications. Applications. Let us consider. There are two important applications are there. Very important applications. One is first purification of common salt, NaCl. For example, purification of common salt. Mostly we know that common salt which is available in a sea or sea water. Likewise, if I want extract this NaCl is a common salt which is in a solid form. Here, in case of which is completely dissociated, which is for example which is a weak electrolyte, means impure form. आपल्याला काय करायचं आहे, impure form means nothing but we have to precipitate NaCl from the saturated solution. If a solution is given, from that given solution we have to precipitate. Here for example, if it is impure means there is not a complete dissociation is there. If NaCl which is in equilibrium form, Na plus Cl minus, even it looks like, even it is a strong electrolyte, no doubt, which is NaCl, which is strong electrolyte, completely dissociated to Na plus Cl minus. Here why I am writing in the equilibrium, because it is a impure form, it is a impure NaCl, which is a impure NaCl in a vessel, it containing the NaCl. Let us consider this is a impure, where it is a impure form of NaCl. Let us consider Na plus Cl minus, which is a impure form, pure naive, which is a impure form, So we have to precipitate it, we have to separate it NaCl from the pure form. Here which is supposed to be NaCl, which is a weak electrolyte in this case, because it is impure form, it is dissociated into, ionized into Na plus Cl minus. What we have to do, we have to decrease this ionization of NaCl. Ionization of NaCl is suppressed by the addition of one more of a strong electrolyte, for example HCl, which is strong electrolyte. It forms H plus Cl minus C, which is a strong electrolyte, H plus Cl minus. Means what? A strong electrolyte, pure HCl, pure hydrogen chloride gas, which is passed into the solution of NaCl, which is passed into the solution of NaCl, which is a passed into solution of NaCl, of impure NaCl. Impure NaCl solution मध्ये आपल्याला HCl चा जो pure HCl आहे, hydrogen chloride gas, which we have to pass into the same solution. What happens? HCl is strong electrolyte here. It contains Cl ions are the common. Cl ions are the common ions. Why we are passing the HCl? HCl is का pass करायचं? Because HCl is a strong electrolyte which containing the common ions of NaCl of Cl. Cl negative ions are the common. Due to the Cl negative, here the concentration of Cl negative which is increases. Concentration of Cl ions are increases. Due to the increase in the concentration of Cl ions, the equilibrium is shifted towards the left hand side of NaCl. NaCl च्या side मध्ये shift होईल. Means what? The precipitation of NaCl which is obtained in a solid form. What we have to do in that saturated solution, NaCl which is a completely soluble, here we have to consider which is a weak electrolyte of, because it is impure form. त्या solution मधून आपल्याला NaCl extract करायचे. We have to extract that NaCl from that saturated solution. From that saturated solution we have to extract NaCl into the solid form. Solid form मध्ये आपल्याला extract करायचं. How it can be extracted? The NaCl which is extracted in a solid form of a pure form by adding the HCl as a strong electrolyte. Due to this HCl as strong electrolyte, here the Cl negative concentration is increases. Means what? Cl negative concentration is increases, obviously equilibrium is shifted towards the left hand side, means the dissociation of NaCl is decreases. Ionization of NaCl which is suppressed. Due to the suppression, NaCl precipitated out in the form of solid easily. Means NaCl can be purified, obtained in a solid form. This is one of the application. Means purification of a common salt, NaCl, in a saturated solution of impure NaCl. Very simple. In a saturated solution of impure NaCl, the pure HCl containing Cl negative as a common ions are added into the solution. Cl negative ion concentration is increases. Due to increase in the concentration of Cl negative, the equilibrium is shifted towards the left hand side and the pure NaCl is precipitated out as a solid form. Okay. Now second application. Very simple applications. Second is salting out of soap. Second is salting out of soap. This is, as we know, salting out of a soap. Soap, as we know, all of you know that soaps are salts of higher fatty acids. Soaps are salts of higher fatty acids. Here RCOONA, which is can be shown RCO negative plus Na plus. How this can be precipitated out? How this can be salted out? As like in the same example, previous example, means this RCONA have to be precipitated in the solid form. आपल्याला solid form मध्ये याला precipitate out करायचं, means precipitate करायचं. How it can be precipitated? Because it is a salt. Salt is soluble in the solution. So once what we have to do, we have to make it a solution. In a saturated solution of RCONA, here it is RCOO negative plus Na plus, which is a solution, of salt solution. So what we have to do? We have to add such a strong electrolyte containing the common ions. So with that common ions, what will happen? One of the ions concentration is increases, means ionization of this RCOONA, which is decreased, which is suppressed. Due to the suppression, it can be easily precipitated out. It can be easily precipitated. How? What we have to add it? We have to add NaCl, which is a strong electrolyte, into the same solution. It forms Na plus Cl minus. Now see, these are the common ions. See, what is salt? This is soap, salt. How it can be precipitated out? Sodium. Soaps are sodium salts of higher fatty acids. Higher fatty acids means more than carbon number 15. For example, here I will take the one example of C17H35COONA, which is the example of this salt of higher fatty acids. It can be written as C17H35COONA plus. See, this is a salt of sodium stearate, which is a salt of sodium stearate of a soap salt. Now this ionization of this sodium stearate is decreased by the addition of a strong electrolyte. Which is strong electrolyte? NaCl. Why we have to add the NaCl? NaCl is a strong electrolyte which contains the common ions of Na plus. Here it is the Na plus. Here it is the Na plus. Due to the Na plus, the concentration of Na plus ions is increases. Increase in the concentration of an Na plus, here the equilibrium is shifted towards the left hand side, means the RCOONA, it can be easily precipitated out. It can be easily salted out. Means once salted out means the separation can be easily. The solid salt of RCONB easily separated with the decrease in the ionization of RCONA. Because of what? We are adding the one more of a strong electrolyte into the saturated solution of soap by having the common ions. With this common ion, concentration of one of the common ion size increases and the equilibrium is shifted towards the left side, and the ionization of weak electrolyte which is decreases, which is suppressed, and easily it can be salted out. Okay. So these are the two important applications of common ion effect. I hope you understand very clearly. Common ion effect is a phenomena in which ionization or dissociation of a weak electrolyte is suppressed or reduced or decreased by the addition of one more of electrolyte, that is strong electrolyte, into the same solution containing common ions, is called as the common ion effect. Okay. So here I will stop. I hope you are very clearly understand this concept. You go through the books, you follow the video. Okay. With this, I stop here. Thank you. Thank you so much.